Here at Oil Filtration Systems, we own and operate the largest fleet of oil filtration and purification equipment in North America. We take pride in our equipment and have put procedures in place to ensure equipment is maintained in like-new condition. The steps we take ensure performance when you need it. Before our rental equipment is sent to you, it is run through a series of cleanings, testing, repair, and validation. Documentation follows each system, and we track that data. When renting equipment from OFS, you can rest assured it will work. When a unit is returned, we perform an inbound QA/QC check, which includes inventory of components, and we look for obvious damage. We log items such as runtime hours to monitor PM, such as vacuum pump oil changes. Every detail is logged. We even track if touch-up paint is needed. The unit is then moved into our wash bay to have any residual oil drained and/or flushed from the system. All waste fluids are disposed of properly. Once drained, the system is pressure washed to remove dirt, dust, and residual oil from the exterior. After the exterior is cleaned, the unit is then put into our test bay and put through 4 hours of rigorous testing on a base stock ISO 32 turbine oil to make sure that the unit is performing to the high standards that we require and you can expect from oil filtration systems. Any component that is not working properly is replaced with a brand new one, and this 4-hour test is documented with a written check sheet. Here at Oil Filtration Systems, we never settle for second best or used components. It is our belief that a failure of our equipment in the field is a problem not just for our customer, but a problem for us. We have your back. After the unit has been tested, it is drained of all residual oil and then re-washed if needed. The unit is then fitted with required hoses, fittings, and filters that our customer has requested and moved into a final QA/QC area where photographs are taken and a rental check sheet documentation is checked and filled out. The unit is then ready to be shipped to the next job site. This in-depth, rigorous testing and QA/QC that we perform on our equipment means that when you rent a piece of equipment from Oil Filtration Systems, you can be assured that not only will you get a unit that will keep your oil absolutely clean and dry, but it will perform as intended for the duration of your rental and beyond. We look forward to working with you on creating a solution for your specific application. Please contact us today or visit oilfiltrationsystems.com to learn more about our rentals, services, and equipment. Thank you for watching and have a safe day.